Hi, my name's Erik and welcome to another edition of Green Building. Here we are in Pendleton Farm Lane in one of our smaller neighborhoods. And we're standing at Tom and Donna's property line, looking at the new home that we're building for them here in Pendleton Farm Lane. Pendleton Farm Lane is in Mystic. It's probably a mile or so from downtown. It's a neighborhood of 7 homes, all of them super insulated, super energy efficient, green by design, low operating cost, low maintenance for our busy lifestyles and for good economies of scale. Pendleton Farm Lane has 7 lots. We've built 2 homes previously. We have 2 under construction now, and 3 more lots available here. It's springtime. This has been a winter build home. Lots of challenges like one of our other homes and videos here. As you look at the home in back of me, you can see that it's green. That's not the siding. That's sheathing that's called Advantech. It's part of a zip system that allows us to tape the seams. And the Advantech product is one we particularly like because once you do the roof with it and the siding with it, the home is weather tight, whether you have siding on it or not. It's a proprietary green color. It's got a special glue matrix that makes it mold and rot resistant, and it comes with a warranty, unlike regular plywood products or OSB products. You can see this home is a cute home. Let's take a walk around and see some of the things that we're doing here for Tom and Donna on Lot 6 in Pendleton Farm Lane, Mystic. Let's go this way. Here you can see the siding's been delivered to the site, and we're getting ready to have the siding crew come back in a few days. Next time we're here, you'll see the house is sided, but this is a close-up view of the Advantech zip system. And you can see the green sheathing and the black tape that seals the seams. And it also gives you a good view of how much glass and light we can get into our homes because we build them so energy efficiently. Lots of glass. You can see the sunshine is coming in. It's going to be a really bright, pretty, airy, and open environment. Let's take a look around back to get an idea what the back of the house looks like. Here we are in the back side of the home, and as you can see, the siding crew managed to get a head start on a small section of the home. You might also notice here that this home has a walkout basement towards the backyard. So that gives them a lot of room in the basement that they're going to be able to finish for additional living space. And it's nice to be able to send the kids downstairs, send them out into the backyard to play in this nice new quiet neighborhood in Pendleton Farm Lane in Mystic. Let's take a look inside the home. Here we have some of the entry doors that are going to be going into the home. This is a very classic, Mystic, old-time type of arched panel door. It's made out of fiberglass, so it's very energy efficient, very forgiving, can be finished to look exactly like wood. And you may have seen in the back of the home we had a couple openings for sliding or patio doors, and we have some low-E argon gas-filled patio insulated doors that are going to go down in the area of the walkout basement. Here you can see we've prepped the garage floor to pour, but we're not going to do it yet. It's being a winter build. I suspect there's a possibility of being some frost down deep in the ground. We'll have our wells here in about a week, and after that we'll probably flood it to make sure all the frost is out. We can do a good job, and we'll be sure that we have a good, high quality, structurally sound floor. Getting ductwork up to a 2nd floor sometimes steals a lot of interior space. So you can see here we borrowed a little bit of room from a corner of the garage, and this gives us an access way so we don't need to steal room from the inside. This chase is going to be insulated, so all the ductwork is going to be contained within the living space, the conditioned spaces, which will allow for minimal energy loss, good thermal performance. Like all of our homes, 2x6 construction, this is Douglas fir. We don't like to particularly use spruce. It's very weak wood. Hem fir has a lot of moisture in it. Doug fir, Larchmont, very strong, very durable, and we know the walls aren't going to warp and twist around and kick around all over the place. Let's take a look inside at some of the other, well, while we're out here, just one more thing. You can see up in this section here that we are finishing the bonus space above the garage. There'll be some living space up there, so you can see that we've got some beams in place and some structural trusses just to make sure everything's nice and strong. Let's take a look inside. And here we are with looking out the front view at Tom and Donna's new home in Pendleton Farm Lane. And as you can see, we've mentioned, we can get lots of glass, very bright. The sun is coming in. It's got a southwestern exposure to the front, very nice. Lots of glass to the back, lots of glass to the front, very airy, open, and bright. We'll be back in just a couple weeks to take a look at some of the other rough-in work, point out how the duct work has gone in, the rough plumbing, the rough electric. By then, hopefully, we'll have the well in and the basement floor and the garage floors poured. Join us in a couple weeks here at Lot 6, Tom and Donna's home, Pendleton Farm Lane. I'm Erik Kudlis from Erik's Design Build Associates, named 2010 Eastern Connecticut Builder of the Year by the Builders Association of Eastern Connecticut. Check out our website, www.edbhomes.com, and find out why. Join us in a couple weeks. Thanks for being here.